morning everyone, my name is Adrian. I am from grade 7 and today we are painting pots for our gardening club activity to plant our money plants in. We painted our pot in red and white color in our club meeting. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm in the gardening club. Our motto is to plant for the future generations.
Hi, I'm Dolly from grade 9 and my motto is one plant a day gives a future greener day.
Hello everyone, my name is Edlyn. I am from grade 7 and I am a part of the gardening club. The gardening was a very fun experience that I am thankful to have tried. You should also try it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Upamada from grade 7 and a few life plants and activities that join the garden. It has many fun activities along with many interesting facts about plants. I colored some pots today. It was fun. I got some help and I got to mix the colors.
Hello everyone, my name is Shazia and I am a member of the gardening club. In the gardening club, as you can tell by the name, we plant plants. But it's much more than just putting things in there. Gardening club teaches us valuable daily skills about plants and farming. And we also do fun activities, like just today we painted pots for the plants to live in. Hello, I'm Auras Mizuna from grade 7. Gardening is interesting and fun, so I joined gardening club. Please wait for more updates in our page. Thank you.